In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a dynamic list view in Salesforce so your records automatically update based on filters you choose. Start by opening the object you want to work with, such as contacts, leads, or opportunities. At the top of the list page, click the gear icon and select New to create a list view. Give the list a clear name and confirm the API name that Salesforce generates. After saving, begin adding filters that define which records should appear. For example, you might set owner equals me, filter by a specific region, or include records created within a certain date range. As filters are applied, Salesforce updates the list in real time, which is what makes the view dynamic. You can combine multiple filters and adjust filter logic using AND or if your permissions allow. Once saved, your list view becomes available in the drop-down for quick switching whenever you access that object. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce tutorials.